So, I am Video Princess Putra, and I will explain a code using pyspark. So, why I'm using Google Colab right now? Because for some reason my Java doesn't work when I'm using pyspark. Try change it to 3.11, still doesn't work. So I changed to Google Colab and using a simple, like really simple code. So PySpark is the Python API for powerful frameworks that work for large scale distributed data processing. So it's designed to work with a lot of data across many machines simultaneously. But because we're using such a simple code, we uh, I personally want to know, will it work? Because there is algorithm in a code, like that work better when using large scale data, but there is some algorithm that work worse if using large data. Eh, large no no when there is a algorithm that doesn't really do better, maybe make it worse when using large scale, when using simple or less data. So we can see here the import. So now we see the data here. So time comparison, PySpark versus pure Python, or not using PySpark. Uh, you can see here, as you can see. Interestingly, when you using a simple data, uh, PySpark took uh time in 1.6 second, while a pure Python took only 0.086 second. So pure Python was significantly faster here, because about uh 20 times faster. This is my contradictory, as PySpark known for its speed, so it should be faster. But in this case, it's not. Why is PySpark slower in this case? So it's crucial to understand it. PySpark is designed for distributed processing across a cluster of many machines, not a single machine like Google Colab environment we are using. Or even if this code, uh, you copy it to, or you run it on your computer, or like a code editor like VS Code, it still will be slower, I think. So why it's become slower is because PySpark need to preparation and management to perform behind the scenes, which is I refer to as overhead. So pyspark initializations is that to start an engine and set up all its internal component, which is take time because data solution and decentralization. So that Python data object must convert into binary format for Spark to process them, and then convert that back. This process is consume time. Task management. PySpark break down work into smaller tasks, manage them, and ensure fault tolerance. All this at a computational load. Imagine you want to move a 10 box if you ran a large truck just to move that 10 box. This process for renting, loading, or returning the truck will take longer time than if you simply just carry that 10 box yourself. So why you using a truck when you can just carry it yourself? Because it take longer to run, to load, and to just audit. So when data is very large that won't fit to single machine memory, PySpark will work faster and efficient because it work in distributed environment where it divide work among many machines simultaneously, leveraging to true parallelism. And conclusion is PySpark in its indeed slower in simple single node scenario due to its distributed architecture overhead. However, its true power lies in its ability to handle massive scale data and process it in parallel across multiple machines. So that's probably all I want to talk in this video. So basically, why I'm using this because my Java doesn't work with PySpark. I don't know why PySpark doesn't support 3.14. Try to change it to 3.11 and still doesn't work. I don't know, maybe the path of my PySpark and etc is in the wrong path. I don't know. I will check it the when I want to. Maybe. Yep, that's all. Maybe see you next time, or maybe when I need to talk to the teacher. Bye bye.